Hello, this is Kelly from TAICO. Today I'm going to introduce our new upgraded 15 kWh LiFePulse battery. This product with the upgrade of waterproof function. Before testing, we have pasted the testing paper in different important components. And the color of this testing paper will be changed to red when exposed to the water. So now, let's see what will happen if they were covered by the water. Inside you can see we have pasted the test papers on it. We put the test paper in important components. The color of these papers will be changed to red if they exposed to water. Now let's use a water gun to spray it. So now, let's cover the case and use a water gun to see what will happen. Then let's see what will be happen inside. So now, let's open the case. Now do a small test with this paper. You can see this paper. Now let's remove this case and see what will happen. Okay, see this paper, they keep the original color. The important components all remain the same color. And this side. And here, we all paste these papers on this cover. So now you can see our new upgraded product has successfully passed the waterproof test.